All right, guys, got her done. So this is it. Got it mounted to the wall. All that's secure. And this thing is super tight. We ended up loosening these up. It's got nylon in there to make everything glide really nice. But all these were super tight. It was really heavy duty build. Now it moves out completely fine. This part can lay all the way back down and make it super tight. But it comes all the way around. And what we did is we hung the light this way. The bracket comes out, hung it from the bottom. So we can get all the way down as low as we want to go and then shine the light up under the car, wherever it needs to be. So this is gonna work really, really good because then we can move it up, we can move it down, put it wherever we need light to be up under the car. I think this is gonna work really good. What do you think, Daddy?
I think
Pretty neat little idea there. So man, these things put off so much light. You can feel the power coming off of them. It feels warm. So this is awesome. I think this is gonna work. It tucks in super nice. It doesn't look bad at all. Gives us an extra light we can use anytime we need it. Right, guys, one more thing we wanted to try. Our light switch for this room is way over there, but we can come through this other door, and we usually end up turning on this light, having just a little bit of light in here, just barely enough to glow. Now we'll have this thing, so we can come through this door. Let's go ahead and flip off those lights. Let me feel my way through the dark and find the... There we go. Now look how bright this is going to be. Boom! That is a ton of light. That puts off, look how much light there is in here. I mean, that's insane. That is a ton of light. That's a spotlight. Nice.